Hello, my name is Anthony, and today we are going to do an oil change on a BMW 330i 2006. As you can see, my friend Darren and I jacked up the car with stoppers so it won't roll back, and it's currently on ramps right now. Here, this is the oil pan, and this is the nut or screw that holds in all the old oil. So we're gonna unscrew this, and it's gonna pour out into our oil pan, and we're gonna screw it back in, so then when you put the new oil in, it doesn't go out again. Yeah, so let's do that. Pull it.
Oh.
So we grab this, and we grab the number
I'm pushing this back.
17. Sure, he needs a big one. That's fine. Hold up. Okay.
Should you get the B-roll angle like this?
Can you see?
You're not gonna be able to see anything. Anthony. If I see the phone, yeah, sure.
Okay. Once again, we're under the car, and this is the oil thingy. I just used this to loosen it. As you can see, oil is dripping, right? But I'm just gonna unscrew this by hand now because it's loose. And then once I get to the last thread, I'm gonna pull it out and then put this pan under it so that oil drains. Yeah, that's the plan. Oh shit, okay.
Good?
I got it. I'm fine. You should record this though.
Huh?
Oh yeah, you record this.
I've been recording everything, Anthony.
My hands are dirty. So as you can see, that's the oil, and it's draining into the oil pan. And normally when you do this, you should let your car sit so like everything is cool and it's not hot. You don't have to wear gloves. But I'm wearing gloves, so it's fine.
Genius, the man with
Alright,
the
so
gloves.
in this clip right here, you can see me trying to take off this oil filter so that we can put in new oil and change the filter. So if you were wondering what I'm doing, that is what I'm doing. In this next clip right here, you can see that there's no more oil.
I don't know if this
dripping,
got it, but
so that
y'all
it
can
is
see.
finished draining.
Yo, we're in the car watching him. Oh, wait, we can see it. Will he get it open, guys? What do you guys think?
Alright, so right here, the tool I'm using is a tool used to open up the oil filter, because these oil filters are known to be really hard to screw out. So how it works is that the tighter you twist, the tighter it grabs onto the filter, giving you more of a grip so that you can turn it and it would loosen easier. It's working.
Did you get it out, guys?
I loosened it. Wow, look at that oil.
Should we get like a camera going inside of it for the video?
This is the old filter right here. This is a new filter. Make sure you get the right filter for your own car. This is
I gotta be the viewer right now.
Inside the kit, you have your filter. Here's a side-by-side comparison. Oh.
Tell me you got the wrong filter.
Oh. This is a little this is a little bigger.
You just shrunk, right?
dude, there's no way.
Fits.
Wait, let's see. Oh my god. Oh no.
So Anthony, whoa, what happened? So why is the, as you guys can see, why is it so much darker now, Anthony?
Wait.
And we have a new friend.
Filter. So we went back to get a new filter.
Oh, you should show us this new filter. Oh wait, it's behind Jessica.
Oh, right.
Right here. Will it fit? Watch it be the wrong one again.
Dude, if it's the wrong one again, I'm actually done for the day.
You get Oh my god.
For extra guard.
As you can see, we have the right filter now.
Whoa.
Notice the difference, like gross. So we have a new washer for the the drain plug that goes there, and then we also have new O-rings for the filter. Yes, beautiful.
Yes.
Where's the cap? And now we're supposed to replace these two red ones. Yeah.
I feel like a dad recording his son.
Okay, now this is very important. Before you put in the new O-rings, you have to lubricate it. Now you may be asking, what do you lubricate it with? You lubricate it with the oil. Yeah.
Wow, guys, that is crazy.
Yeah.
That is crazy, everyone. That's crazy. Oh my god.
Peak commentary from
Oh my
Darren.
god. Peak commentary. Now you just seen my commentary earlier, man. I just gave him my interview questions too.
This oil filter is universal, so it can go in this way or the other way. Doesn't really matter. So once this is in, you screw it back in. You used to screw it in really tight,
So you usually-
or else it's gonna like go out.
Will you use the other thing from earlier that you used to loosen it?
I can't because it's only like for loosening. There's a charge in my car, like a portable.
I should get like this angle. Now for my last steak, should I wear a hat with it while I cook it?
Yeah.
Cause I was gonna wear my first one with a hat, but I think this might be cooler hat. I like this hat a lot.
All right, now that the oil filter is done, we're gonna screw this back in and then pour more oil or new oil into this cup. Where did that go? Oh. Oh my god, I'm so lost.
Oh, you going underneath? Yeah. I'll get the camera set up.
So, with the new washer, we're gonna screw this back in by hand and tighten it later with this. So I'm currently screwing it back in right now. Okay, yeah, so now that it's tight, take this guy and screw it back in. Tighten it. Okay, now this has to be tight or else when you're driving, oil's gonna leak out. But it can't be too tight, we're just gonna strip the screw. You recording me, Shoulder? There we go. It goes in the middle part right here.
To fall in love.
And where's the other glove? Can you have my other glove?
Where's your other glove? Oh, right here. On the floor, everyone. Between the cracks where I reside.
Thank you.
Oh, it's like POV. Man, it's still hot in here, man. So hot.
And just like that. Dude, this is scary. Dude.
Man, you making me scared, okay?
Here we go. Boom.
Now, when you guys are pouring a new oil, make sure you guys use a funnel. If you guys don't have a funnel like I don't, then just go look around your
Damn,
trash
look
for
at
an
that
empty
clean
water bottle
oil.
and cut it to make yourself a makeshift funnel.
Are you getting the shot of the oil
hold
going in?
It doesn't. It's fine. The reason why I stopped is because I want to check if the drain plug is actually plugged. So if I see oil leaking, then I gotta tighten it more. So like, there's no point of pouring the whole thing. It's just gonna fall right out. You get me? It fell out.
It's okay. You can censor it. Don't look at that, guys. Just look at him. That is beautiful arms.
Dude, shut up. You mean insecure?
I'm not even seeing your arms, bro. Then I'm gonna fall forward, guys.
Here, I'll hold you back.
Oh shit.
Is it going through? You gotta commentate, Anthony.
I actually don't know. Hold up.
Oh my god, mom. Oh, wow. We got trade.
Okay guys, I think it's fine. I don't see any oil leaking. So we can pour the rest in. Also, I think I'm gonna do more. I can do this.
Oh, you don't need me anymore, guys. You're out here.
Oh shit!
He needed you.
Oh, okay, that's actually bothering me. Hold on, I gotta wipe that.
This spill?
Yes. Get me a tissue, get me a tissue.
Why he gets the tissue, guys? I think I'm gonna fill it up.
Wait, let me wipe it first. I kinda spilled the
Oh, you wiped it? I wanted to get in the video for the 2 seconds.
Fuck. Oh, it's like clear. Shit.
Imagine having like a lighter. Oh, that's a good shot. That's better than me.
Thank you. I used to be a manager.
That's it. This is training. I'm still a manager in training.
No.
You graduated.
You should be a pro.
Can't wait to shower.
Got port?
Wait, what's done?
Oh my god.
He wants his second of fame.
I need my minute of fame, bro. I need that minute. It's the hat, I'm telling you. It's the hat.
Okay, Jen, you wanna pour it?
No.
Okay.
Not anymore.
Oh my god. Okay. Anyways. Okay, you don't have to do that.
Yay! Yay!
I think I'm okay. Thank you though. Wait, yeah, can I get one more? Thank you. Okay, I think it's tight enough. And just like that, we're finished. Boom.
Wasn't half that shot, wasn't it?
So we just finished, and my car's currently running, and as you can see, there's no oil splattering around the filter, so that means it's tight enough. And I'm assuming if we were to go under the car, honestly nothing dripping. So I think we're pretty golden. Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching. You guys can't really see it, but the last picture is just a picture showing the oil level, making sure the car has enough oil. I'd like to give a big thank you to my father for providing me with the car, parts, supplies, and for helping me find the videos needed to know everything about an oil change. Overall, this project has helped me learn more about cars and maintenance. This project also helped me grow as a person as I feel more knowledgeable from before. Some challenges I faced are getting the wrong filter and finding a not too hot, not too cold day to work on. In conclusion, I'm glad I got to experience a new experience that I will be using for the rest of my life and will be saving $170 every time, because the average cost for an oil change for this car is $220 to $240. And I only spent $70 for the filter and oil. In the future, I'm glad to know that when times are tough, say I don't get accepted to any schools or I'm in between jobs, I could always work on cars for my friends and family until I can get back on my feet. Anyways, thank you guys for watching.